Page number 12, you have matched the following. Match the words in column A with the words in column B to know some places we go to. Okay, like for example, when we are sick, we go to the doctor or the clinic, right? Where the doctor is there. And then where do we take, in order to see animals, where do we go? We go to the zoo. Okay, like that they have given you a few things this side in column A, and then there are a few words that are given in column B. We need to read and match them. Okay, here I will write only the numbers for column A and the alphabets for column B. You will write as I tell you. You will match them as I tell you the numbers. Okay, now here you have column A, and this side you have column B. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so here this side you have from A to I, and this side you have the numbers from A to 9. Okay, the first one, I'll read all the words that is given in column A, and then I will also read everything that is given in column B. Okay, and then we will do the matching. First one in column A, it says sick people. Second one, caged animals. Third one, where you go to study. Fourth one, where we buy things. Fifth one, where you play. Sixth one, where planes land and take off. Seventh one, where you board a train. Eighth one, where you deposit money. Ninth one, where you buy stamps. Okay, these are the words that are given in column A. Now I'll read the words that are given in column B. Okay, these we will have to match. First one is a bank. Second one, airport. Third one, park. Fourth one, hospital. Fifth one, post office. Sixth one, you have zoo. Seventh one, railway station. Eighth one, school. And the last one, shop. Okay, now let us start matching. Okay, now first one they have already matched. Sick people, where do they go? When we are sick, we go to the hospital, right? Yes, to the hospital. Very good. Here they have drawn lines. I don't want you to draw lines. I want you to write the numbers. Okay, so next to D, open and close the bracket and write 1. Okay, open and close the bracket, write 1 inside that. Okay, please do not draw lines. I want you to write the numbers only. Okay.
Next zoom.
Yes. Second one, caged animals. We go to the zoo to see the caged animals. Where is zoo given here? Which alphabet is it? F. Very good. So next to F, write 2. Write 2 next to F in the bracket. Okay. Next one, where you go to study. Very good. It is school. So where is school given here? Yes. Where is school given? H. Very good. So next to H, write 3. Yes, write 3 next to H. Yes, very good. Okay, next one, where we buy things. Where do we go to buy things? Where does mommy go to buy the groceries?
Shop.
Shop, very good. So where is shop given? Which letter? The last one, yes. So next to I, write 4. Next to I, write 4. Okay, next, fifth one, where you play. Where do you all play? Park. Very good. Yes, where is park given this side? It is?
Park.
Yes, where is park given? In column B. It is C. Okay, so next to C. Yes, right. 5 next to C. Okay. Next one, where planes land and take off. What is that place called as? Where planes land and
Airport, ma'am.
very good. It is called as airport. Okay, so where is airport given? Where is airport given?
B, ma'am.
Very good.
B.
It is B. So here write 6. Write 6.
Seven.
Okay, write 6. Next one, where you board a train. Which place do you go in order to take the train? Very good, Elshiba. It is railway station. Okay, so where is railway station given? Which letter? It is G. Yes. Now write 7 in the bracket. Write 7 in the bracket. Okay. Now next one, where you deposit money. Where do you deposit money? Very good, in the bank. So where is bank given in column B? Very good. It is A. Write 8 next to A. Okay, next to A, write 8. Okay. Next one, the last one, where you buy stamps. Where do we buy stamps? Very good. It is post office. That is the last one. E. Write 9 next to E. Okay. Now I will call out the numbers. Please check if you've written the same numbers against that letter. Okay. Next to A, you should have written 8. Okay. Then next to B, you should have written 6. Next to C, you should have written 5.
Yes.
Next to D, yes. Next to D, you should have written 1. Next to E, you should have written 9. Next to F, you should have written 2. Next to G, you should have written 7. Next to H, you should have written 3. And the last one is 4. Okay, hope all of you have written everything correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, now we
ma'am.
will move on to the next main. Okay, I'll read the heading here. Neeta was looking for some missing letters as she wanted to write the names of birds and animals in her notebook. Her little brother had jumbled up all the letters and Neeta was finding it difficult to put them together. Help her to arrange the letters in order to get the names of birds and animals. There are clues given to guide you. Okay, so here you have few clues given here, and the next thing you have the letters that are jumbled. We need to unscramble those words or the letters and form the correct word.
Peacock, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute. First, let us read. We'll do it together.
Recording in
Okay, now
progress.
next one. First one. Beautiful feathers make this bird proud. First one. Okay, first one. Beautiful feathers make this bird proud. The answer is peacock. Yes, peacock. So in the first dash, write P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Write down everyone together. Write it down. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock.
Mama,
Okay, next. Second one. All of you have finished writing peacock, children? Just show a thumbs up if you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now second one, a black bird that cannot sing. Very good. The second one is crow. Right, C-R-O-W, crow. Together, right? C-R-O-W, crow.
PH.
Okay, next one, a large animal gray in color. Which is a large animal which is gray in color? It also has a trunk. What is it?
Elephant man.
Very good. It is an elephant, right? ELEPHANT. 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 Elephant.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next one, fourth one. Golden stripes and bright eyes. Which animal is that? Which has golden
Finished,
stripes?
ma'am.
Which animal has golden stripes and bright eyes? Tiger. Very good. It is tiger, right? T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Okay, write down T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. If you finish, just show a thumbs up saying that you have completed. Yes, very good. Melvin is completed. Even Kushal also has finished. Yes. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Fifth one, this bird can speak. Which bird can speak?
Peacock, ma'am.
No, not peacock. It's not a peacock. Parrot. Very good. It is a parrot. Yes, right. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot.
Next time, king of the jungle.
Lion, ma'am.
Okay, next one, king of the jungle. Which animal? It is?
Lion.
Very good. Lion, right. L-I-O-N. Lion. Write down L-I-O-N. Lion.
Capital letter.
L-I-O-N. Lion.
Lion.
Okay.
Small and pretty.
Next one, small and pretty. These animals live in a burrow or small holes in the ground. They like carrot. Which animal is that? Very good. It is a rabbit. So seventh one. Yes, right. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit.
B.
Okay. Seventh one is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Next one.
Really fast.
Next one, can go really fast. Which animal can go really fast? In olden days, when kings, the soldiers and all used to ride on this animal. Very good. It is a horse. Very good. Write down H-O-R-S-E. Horse.
H-O-S-E. Mr.
H-O-R-S-E. Horse.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. All of you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, ninth one. Small brown bird. It's a small brown bird. These days, maybe you'll find it in villages, but in cities, you hardly find them. Which bird is that? It is a
Sparrow.
Very good. It is a sparrow. Yes, write down SPARROW, sparrow.
SPA
P.
ಯಾರು ರಾಶಿನವು
Okay, SPARROW, sparrow. Okay. Okay, hope all of you all have finished. Now next one, black and furry likes honey. Which animal is black and furry and it also likes honey? Which animal is that? It is a bear. Very good. Very good. Write down BEAR, bear. BEAR, bear. Okay, BEAR, bear.
Ma'am, I am writing, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Right.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Dikshita. Very good, Inshallah. Okay, now I'll just read all the answers. Just check if you've written. The ones who are still writing, write quickly. Okay. First
Yes,
one is a
ma'am.
peacock. PEACOCK. Please take down the spelling correctly. Second one is a crow. CROW. Crow.
Sorry, I'm rushing.
Okay. Third one, elephant. 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 Fourth one, tiger. 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 Fifth one, parrot. 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 Sixth one, lion. 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 Seventh one is a rabbit. 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 Eighth one, horse. 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 Ninth one, sparrow. 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 And the last one is a bear. 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 Okay. Now we'll go on, move on to the next one. Turn your book to page number 13. Okay. Now all of you have completed this. Show your thumbs up if you've written. Anyone who's still writing? Anyone who is still writing, please raise your hand. All of you have finished? Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Daivik is done. Aaron is done. Melvin is done. Okay, Varun also is done. Charvi is done. Melissa is done. Lingeshwaran is done. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Yes. Okay, now turn your book to page number 13. Turn your book to page number 13. Okay, this part you can do when you are free. Okay, this you have to write anything. Parents who are talking in the background, please mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can see Darun, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am. No, ma'am, Darun is not visible.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೀವು
Okay, now I want all of you all to Turn your book to page number 13. You will do only the exercises that I'm telling you. Okay, page number 13, you have worksheet 3. Okay, worksheet 3, we're going to do this exercise. This one, it is okay. You have to do this one now, okay? All the animals in the forest of Sonpur are worried. A group of hunters have entered the forest and are trying to capture the animals. The animals are rushing to get into their homes. Help them to find their home by filling in the blanks with the right word from the help box. Okay, this one, you can see the down yellow color box, right? Where this little monkey is also holding. This is called as your help box. Okay, the answers are given here. You need to choose the right answer from the box and write over here. Okay, in the help box, you have the choices: shed, stay, burrow, stable, kennel, and tree. Okay, so we're going to choose the answers from here and then write it over here. Now, the first one is already done for you. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in the den. Very good. They have already given that answer. Okay, a lion lives in the den. Second one, which is the home of a monkey. Yes, den is already given. Now, second one, you have a monkey. Where does a monkey stay?
Tree.
Tree. Very good. Yes, write down T-R-E-E. Tree. In the dash here. Yes, in the dash, write tree. T-R-E-E. Tree.
Hey, Geeta.
Okay, right. T-R-E-E. Tree. Third one, rabbit. Where does a rabbit live? It lives in a. Where does a rabbit live? Yes, a rabbit lives in a burrow. Okay, write down the answer. Third one, B-U-R-R-O-W. Write down
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see Darun?
1 minute, ma'am.
Next is madam. Not stable.
Is Darun's name given, or you put it as Galaxy, ma'am? Because Darun's name is not there at all.
Darun.
Darun ke.
I don't think you entered the child's name. You have given it as Galaxy F41. F41. That is.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Next time when you log in, please make sure that you write the child's name. Okay, I've told this in previous classes also. Otherwise, giving attendance becomes very difficult for us.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Next, fourth one, cow. Where does a cow stay? Where does a cow stay? Shed. Very good. Very good. S-H. S-H-E-D. Shed. Write down S-H-E-D. Shed. Okay, now next one. Fifth one, horse. Where does a horse stay?
Stable.
Very good. A horse stays in the stable. Write down S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Yes, write down S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Okay, next sixth one, dog. Where does a dog stay? Or what is a dog? Very good. It is a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Write down
ST ರಶ್ಮಿ.
Kennel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one, last one. Where does a pig stay? The house of a pig is called as a
Ma'am.
yes. It's called as a STY. Write down STY.
Ma'am, my writing finished, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, children.
Ma'am, Dikshita also finished, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Dikshita also. Yes.
Aaron finished, ma'am.
Very good. Aaron also is finished. Very good. Yes.
Pooja finished, ma'am. Nikhil also finished, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, children. Everyone has written. Just check your answer. First one, Den is already written in the book. Second one, a monkey lives in a tree, or monkeys live on trees. Third one, rabbits live in burrow. Cow's home is called as a shed. A horse stays in a stable. Dog's home is called as a kennel, and a pig lives in a style. Okay. Everyone has written all this. Everyone is finished. Yes, very good. Okay, now I'm just going to ask a few questions here. Okay. Now you all have been learning what are nouns from yesterday, right? Okay, can someone tell me what is a noun? What is another name of nouns? You all can unmute yourself and you can say what is a
Noun is naming words.
very good. Another name for noun is called as okay. Now I have muted everyone. I have muted everyone. Only the ones whom I asked will answer. Otherwise, there is too much of noise. I'm sure none of them would have understood what you have said. Okay, I know most of you all know the answers, but when you all tell it as a group, nobody is going to understand. Okay, so only the children that I'm going to call, only they will unmute themselves and you will give the answer. Okay, Chris, Anna, I want to see you. Chris, Anna, Dikshita, please turn on your videos. Okay. Yes. Chris, Anna, can you tell me what are noun?
Noun is a name of the person and place and things and animals
Very good.
and birds.
Very good. Okay, so what is a noun? A noun is nothing but it's a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, birds, or things. These are called as nouns. Anything that you can name is called as a noun. Okay, remember this. Okay, throughout, like I told you, it's not just for class 1, what are nouns and all the other things that you're going to learn in class 1. You have to remember them even if you go to college also. Okay, so remember all these. These are all your basics which you have to remember. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, do you have
Okay,
any
ma'am.
doubt? All of you have completed till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have completed till here?
ಇಲ್ಲ
Yes.
ಕಲ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ.
Very good. Okay, so if you have finished